The many uses for acacia. Acacia has a long history in civilizations such as the Egyptians and the aboriginal tribes of Australia. Acacia is the gum that is exuded from the acacia tree. This tree originally came from tropical regions of Africa and Australia. It's a dietary fiber that can dissolve in water. Acacia gum is already used in many types of foods and can usually be safely used in cooking, drinks, and other substances. But talk to your doctor before using it as a supplement if you take any medications. Acacia gum is also known as Arabic gum. Chemically, acacia gum is called Acacia Senegal. It has the combination of complex polysaccharides and protein. Surprisingly, there are many health benefits of acacia gum for human body. It has been used in baking ingredients, medicines, tools, and woodwork. Different parts of the acacia plant, leaves, branchlets, bark, gum, roots, pods, and seeds, have been prepared in different ways to drink or apply externally to cure an array of ailments. As a medicine, acacia is taken by mouth for high cholesterol, irritable bowel syndrome, and weight loss. It is also used to remove toxins from the body and as a prebiotic to promote good bacteria in the intestine. Acacia is a source of dietary fiber. It tends to make people feel full. Strengthens the immune system. It will help you to strengthen your immune system. This Arabic gum contains fiber which is considered as a probiotic. Probiotics promote the growth of good bacteria inside the gut. Acacia fiber is gentle on your stomach. When incorporating fibrous foods into your diet, one might experience gas and bloating. However, acacia fiber has a very gentle effect on the stomach because of its slow fermentation rate in the gut. Acacia gum contains water-soluble dietary fibers, WSDF, that are not only good fiber for your diet, but also helpful in keeping your cholesterol under control. Relieves pain and irritation. Acacia gum has a naturally sticky texture. Materials with this property are often used to reduce irritation and inflammation. The gum has been shown to be especially effective in easing stomach or throat discomfort. Helps wound healing. Acacia is often used in topical treatments to help wounds heal. This effect may be due to some of its chemicals, such as alkaloids, glycosides, and flavonoids. In a study, a species of acacia known as Acacia caesea was tested on rats as part of a topical wound treatment. It led to quicker wound healing. It is also suggested that acacia may help heal ulcers. Promotes oral health. The extract of a species of acacia known as Acacia catechu, sometimes called black care, can be used in dental products like mouthwash to prevent gingivitis. Powdered acacia can be used in herbal toothpaste. This has been shown to clean teeth without being too abrasive to the surface of your teeth. Soothes coughs and sore throats. Because it's known to relieve irritation and inflammation, acacia gum can also help control coughs. The properties of acacia gum allow it to be used in solutions to coat your throat and protect the mucus in your throat from irritation. Using acacia for coughs can keep your throat from becoming sore, as well as ease or prevent symptoms. Restricts blood loss. The Acacia grigii plant, found in the United States and Mexico, can be used to help stop blood flow in gashes, wounds, and other surface cuts. Pouring an acacia-infused tea on cuts is an especially effective remedy. This can be helpful for stopping heavy bleeding and washing bacteria from the cut. Acacia fiber improves gut health. Gut health is essential when it comes to being your most vibrant, healthy self. The gut can affect your mood, memory, immune system, and digestion. The gut can be nourished by feeding it a diet rich in fiber. Acacia fiber can relieve constipation. Constipation can be very uncomfortable and prevent your body from expelling toxins. By adding acacia fiber to your morning smoothie, you are getting an extra boost of soluble fiber. This aids in cleansing your body naturally. The beneficial prebiotics inulin and oligofructus, found in soluble fiber, produce gases that fertilize the healthy bacteria that live in the lower gut. Acacia fiber can help calm IBS symptoms. Free of substances such as gluten and artificial sweeteners that can be problematic for some people, acacia fiber is said to help relieve IBS symptoms. IBS sufferers often experience bloating, gas, and painful cramps. By adding this gentle fiber to your diet, you may experience fewer symptoms. Acacia fiber may promote weight loss. Preliminary research suggests that acacia fiber may help to reduce body mass index, BMI, and body fat percentage. Acacia fiber is a source of soluble fiber. Soluble fibers make people feel full, which helps keep them from overeating and gaining weight. That fiber helps keep you feeling full longer and provides sustained energy. Anti-wrinkle cream. Acacia gum improves the texture of skin, smoothing over wrinkles and leaving the skin soft and supple. Acacia gum even supports natural fibers such as collagen and elastin. Colic relief. A mixture of acacia gum with syrup, orange blossom water and mineral water is the best way to relieve infants suffering from colic and allows parents to enjoy a peaceful night's sleep. High cholesterol. In a report published in Food and Chemical Toxicology, investigators analyzed the available research on acacia fiber and found that it appears to reduce cholesterol levels in rats. Diabetes. Dietary fiber plays a role in regulating blood sugar. There's little clinical research on acacia fiber and diabetes, but preliminary research suggests that the fiber may help protect against certain diabetes-related complications. Acacia fiber may help shield people with diabetes from diabetic nephropathy, a type of kidney damage thought to result in part from poor control of diabetes and blood pressure. Liver health. Animal-based research indicates that acacia fiber may help guard against liver damage caused by acetaminophen, a drug used to relieve pain. Acacia fiber may help combat liver damage by reducing oxidative stress. Potential risks. Acacia is likely safe for most adults when taken by mouth in amounts commonly found in food. Ask your doctor before consuming any form of acacia to make sure you won't have an allergic or drug interaction reaction. Acacia Senegal has been found to interact with the efficacy of some medications. For example, it may prevent some antibiotics from being absorbed. Acacia is possibly safe when taken by mouth in amounts used for medical purposes. Up to 30 grams daily has been used safely for 6 weeks. However, it can cause minor adverse effects, including gas, bloating, nausea, and loose stools.